This video tutorial goes over the scenario where you add an item to your local database, and at a later date, the TurboCloud admin team adds an item with the same UPC number to the cloud database. It is always better to use items that the TurboCloud admin team has added, since it will include all of the data in the item editor and is maintained for changes as time goes by. The materials screen has been revised to notify you if you're using an item that you have added and the same UPC number exists for an item that the TurboCloud admin team is maintaining. The materials screen allows you to easily replace the item that you created with the new item maintained by the TurboCloud admin team in every assembly the item exists in. The item that you have created have a pink icon, whereas TurboCloud added items have a blue icon. Click the Purchase Order button. Click the Load and Display the Order Group button. Notice the green warning icon alerting you that there is a TurboCloud created item with the same UPC number. Right-click 3/8" 2-screw flex connector. Select Replace. You can choose to replace the item in every assembly in the database or just the assemblies in this estimate. We suggest that you replace the item in every assembly in the database. Click the Select Replacement Item button. You can drag the item from the tree view or from the grid into the Replace Selected Item screen. Click the Start button. Click the OK button. Since you have replaced the item that you added with the item maintained by the TurboCloud admin team, your item is no longer included in the material screen.